Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Salim and welcome to my channel. In the last video, we created the first program in C language and we printed Hello World. Today, we'll be discussing the first concept, which is very easy, and that concept is known as comments in C language. So comments are non-executable statements that we can add in a programming language to increase the readability of a program. And every programming language allows us to add comments in a program. In C language, we can add two types of comment. The first comment is single line comment, and it can be added by adding two forward slashes. And after that, we can write any message. This is a program that is displaying hello world. So this is the comment that I have added on line number 4, and this will not affect my program. Similarly, if I want to add a multi-line comment, I can also do that. Let's suppose I want to add a message which will be taking 2 to 3 lines. Let's suppose the message is this is a program. Now this is a message that is uh, taking multiple lines, and I want to comment it out so that no error occur in the program. So I can do it by putting this forward slash and after that putting this steric sign, and wherever I want to end the comment I will again put this steric and after that I'll put forward slash, and now you can see that from line number 5 to line number 8 the statement has been commented out. So this is how you can add a single line comment and a multi-line comment in your program in C language. If there is any question related to this video, please let me know in the comment section and please subscribe the channel.